What's up, guys? I'm Zach and this is Max from Green Mountain Cyclery, and today we're going to be installing the OneUp Components EDC tool. The OneUp EDC tool gets installed into your steer tube on your fork. It's really cool that you can carry it with you and you don't need to carry a backpack or anything like that. It has all the main tools you'll need. It has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and an 8mm Allen T25 Torx. It has a quick link tool, flathead, also comes with a tire lever as well as a chain breaker. You have storage for an extra quick link, and on the bottom of this you can thread in a CO2. The tool itself is pretty easy to install, but you will need a few tools. You need a cassette tool. That's for your top cap. The EDC top cap actually uses a cassette lock ring style. You'll need a 5mm Allen wrench to remove your top cap bolt, and then you'll need the EDC tap tool, which consists of these 4 pieces here. Alright, first things first, Max is going to remove his top cap and handlebars. We have some nice bike stands here, but we actually are going to do this on the grounds because if we had the bike in the stand, the fork would want to fall out of it.
I need a different Allen. It don't fit. I like these Allen keys though.
Some of you might need a 4mm Allen. Max likes those Allen keys. That is a Feedback Sports tool set. So if you guys need any tools, Feedback Sports, check them out. You want to remove your spacers too. You can leave the red one on there. Now, this tool is for checking to make sure you actually have an 1 1/8" steer tube. Lucky for Max, he does. And then you flip this tool around, thread the bolt into your star nut, and that is actually a star nut remover. The rest of the pieces in there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, that didn't fucking work.
So that just pulled the center of the star nut out. Now that that's out of there, we'll be able to knock those out through the bottom of the fork. I like to call this guy the little persuader, and an old flathead screwdriver. There's the top piece. And there's the bottom piece. Now the next step is going to be to tap the inside of the steer tube. Before we do this, I'm actually going to put a rag in the bottom of the steer tube just to catch any of the metal filings. We wouldn't want those to go in your fork seals or anywhere else. And we'll also want to lube up the tap tool with a little bit of grease. Yeah, look at all those metal filings. And as you notice while I was tapping it, you want to go about a half turn forward and then a quarter turn back. I don't know if you can read that on the tool there. There we go. But yeah, whenever you're tapping something, you don't want to just keep threading it down. You want to thread it forward a bit, cut some threads, and then back it off, and that'll allow some of the shavings to fall down so you're not trying to cut over the shavings. Some more metal.
And the grease helps to catch metal shavings as well.
Exactly.
As well as lubricating it.
So yeah, there's still a bunch of metal in there we'll want to clean out, but as you can see, the inside of the steer tube is now tapped for the threads for the lock ring. Now you can use your cassette tool to snug down the lock ring. Alright, now you can install your butt plug. Persuader. Well, sorry, it's my first time installing a butt plug. Max, on the other hand, is a pro. Alright, now at this point you can just drop your EDC tool down your steer tube and you're all set. If you guys want to buy any of this stuff, you can find it on our website at greenmtncyclery.com. If you have any questions, you can email us on there or leave a comment below.